Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Sheikh Nadir Ahmed Taha and my ID number is 181115729. Welcome to the world of creative juices. Today our presentation is all about on etiquette, personal behavior and professionalism. So let's get started. But first of all, what is an etiquette? Etiquette is a set of customs or rules for polite behavior, especially among particular groups of people or particular profession. Moving to the next slide. So here our next slide is about some basic professional etiquettes, and one of them is introduction and greeting etiquette. There are three ways that you can properly introduce yourself. The first one is during introduction, always shake your hands or nod your head. The next one is if you're in charge of introducing other people, always try to introduce the lower rank to higher rank of people. The last one is if you're introducing yourself, then first of all always stand up and greet them. So that's all for me. Now I would like to ask my next member to come to the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Dilshad Mim. My ID is 181115734. Today my topic is conversation etiquette. The first impressions are the long-lasting impression. Definitely we are talking with people, like to talk with people who have some basic manners and courtesies in place. It's the simple things like thank you, please, may I do something, rather than doing something without any permission. Always try to keep the conversation short and to the point. Speaks only when the speaker has finished talking. Don't interrupt. And eye contact is also very important. Maintain the politeness even if the client speaks something offensive or rude. Our next slide is dressing etiquette. The way you dressing yourself, it's a make or break impression at your corporate culture. Now I am talking about some basic corporate grooming as well as dressing. Your dress should either be plain or it should be slightly textured. If you are a male person, then make sure that don't have any loud color or loud print on your shirt, and make sure that your clothes is very well ironed. Make the things simple and professional, and also keep in mind that you are clean shaved on your professional place. Wearing the comfortable formal shoes with socks and remind it that your belt should always be matching with your color of shoes. If you are a female person, then go with the neutral color and avoid denim. If I talk about accessories, then wearing a simple necklace with earring are perfect. Makeup should be minimal, and for shoes, flat fancies are perfect. In the last 2 minutes, I gave you some basic ideas about the conversation and dressing etiquette, and that's all about me. I would like to ask Orpita Roy to continue with the presentation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Orpita Roy. My ID is 181115728. Here my slide shows electronic communication etiquette. So what is electronic communication etiquette? It indicates that how should we communicate with our seniors. Like when we communicate with our seniors or colleagues, we address them dear sir or madam, Mr. or Mrs. and end with your sincerely or your truly, which suits best. We should follow some structure, like an email should be short and precise. While speaking over telephone, we should greet them with hi or hello. My next slide shows handshaking etiquette. While we are shaking our hands, we shouldn't hurt each other. Looking into eyes is essential, and time limit should be 2 to 3 seconds. We should follow this etiquette. That's all for me. Now, Moshedul Amin Siam will discuss the next slide. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Moshedul Amin. My ID is 181115741. Now I will discuss about some basic tips of dining equity. So the first one is being courteous during official dinner. Offer the seat to your guest first, and if you are the guest, be punctual and thanks the host for the dinner. And the second one is initiate conversation while waiting for the food, and then avoid opening your mouth and chewing food. And the next one is avoid looking at the other plate and pointing eyes on a particular food. And the number 5 is allowing your guest to select the menu. And the last one is learning basic table manner before you go out to dine with a potential client or an important business meet. That's all from me. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I'm Sabir Hossain Orko. My ID is 181115725. So today I'm going to talk about general etiquette. General etiquette. Now, what is general etiquette? Basically, general etiquette is the combination of general sense and behavior. Like what do we get when we look at the first picture? It is saying that we should be very punctual and be aware of time. We need to think about time when we going to somewhere, when we need to be somewhere, we need to maintain the time. The next thing is we need to switch or silent our mobile when we are in a meeting. We are in a meeting and our mobile rang and everyone get disturbed, so it is a bad behavior. We should be very aware of that, and it is a part of general etiquette. um, sometimes we see that in public place people are digging their noses, so I think this is a bad manner. This is not a general etiquette. We should not dig our noses in a public place. The very next thing is we as we are a human, and sometimes we sneeze or cough in public place, so we need to be aware of that, and we should use tissue when we are coughing or sneezing. The next thing is when we are in a meeting room, we should be respectful to the seniors. We should stand and talk with them and give some respect. That's a general etiquette. We should avoid to try very over funny. Some people thinks that being over funny is a part of being smart, but that's not. It is not mandatory to be smart. You have to be funny. Sometimes we see that people forgot others' names, so we should generally ask them with some respect. Then they will tell me, but we should not call them with the wrong name. So the next thing is sometimes we see that some people get closer to us and sit behind us, and they sit very closely. Sometimes we get very disturbed about that, because this is not a good manner, so we should avoid that. Then we should open the door for our next person who is coming after me. We should hold the door so that he or she can go through that, and then we should close the door. So that's all about the general etiquette. There are lots of etiquette, like we should avoid drinking, we should avoid smoking, or we should brush our teeth so that nobody else get our smell of our teeth. There are lots of things. There are lots of general etiquettes we should maintain. So that's all. All of these things are making the etiquette, the behave of ours that we should follow, the things we should follow, and the things we need to follow to be a better person, to be a not annoying person. So if we can maintain all the etiquettes like general etiquettes, then dining etiquettes, handshake etiquettes, electronic communication etiquettes, dressing etiquettes, conversational etiquettes, and a lot more. If we can follow all these things, I think we can be a better person in a few days. So that's all from our group, Creative Juices. Thank you all. Thanks for being with us. Thank you, madam, to give us the chance to explain ourselves with this topic. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.